So as an example, you can come up with a great algorithm for fraud detection, right? Let's say you're working for a company that has its own credit card, right? Like a charge card, and you developed an algorithm that can detect fraudulent charges really, really well, right? You've got really good metrics on that algorithm. Well, that's great. But what happens if, one, there's not enough fraudulent charges because, you have generally good clients, and two, the average loss on a fraudulent charge is not very high. Maybe you work for a company where the average purchase price is pretty low. Well, so that might mean that you have the world's greatest algorithm for fraud detection, but the the results from it, the impact from it isn't high enough to justify, putting you on it, maintaining the algorithm, paying for the GPU cycle, so on and so forth. That's a very likely scenario that can happen in data science, right? I shouldn't say likely scenario. It's a possible scenario, right? That can happen in data science. Algorithms take time and money to develop and maintain.